Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Kelly and today we are going to be going through a very important question. Golden Goose sneakers. Do we like them or do we not? These Golden Goose sneakers, if you are not familiar, they are exploding the internet. They are these dirty sneakers that are very on trend right now that everybody seems to be posting about. And I just gotta be honest, you guys, I am not completely sold. So I had to do what any girl that has a YouTube channel around fashion would do, is I had to order a couple pairs and open them up and unbox them with you all. And we have to answer this question, do we like these sneakers or do we not? Are they a good trend or are they a not so good trend? Are they shoes that are gonna be around for a while or are they shoes that are gonna go out of style next week? We're gonna answer that today and we're gonna open these bad boys up and really see what they look like on, and I'm gonna let you know what my thoughts are. I'm not saying that I am the fashion expert or that my opinion necessarily has any clout in the fashion world, but I had to see for myself what the deal was with these dingy Golden Goose sneakers. So let's open them up. It says, "Dear lover, your Golden Goose journey starts here. Fasten your seatbelt and enjoy it." Kind of cool. Has like a little departure card. It's kind of funny. It does have a Nordstrom card in here because I ordered these through Nordstrom because I'm being completely honest, I'm anticipating not liking these shoes, and so I wanted to be able to take them back. And I ordered a size 38 in both pairs. That's my European normal size. We'll see how they actually fit. That's kind of cool. Golden Goose passport, so it kind of has like a travel theme. But it says, "You have just purchased an authentic Golden Goose product. Follow the NFC instructions to validate its authenticity." Oh, you guys, I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, this is it. Here they are, and it's dingy fashion. That is it. That is a brand new sneaker, and it just looks dingy. I don't know. We're gonna try it on. We're not gonna give an opinion just yet, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm not gonna lie. I thought that I would like them better in person. I thought, man, I have to be missing something, and I must like getting them in person. They must seem like really nice, but I don't know. I'm just not like, they're okay, but I just don't get it. I don't know, does that make me old? Am I just silly that I don't love these? I mean, we're gonna try them on, but that's it. Let's try the other pair. I think I'm gonna like the other pair because obviously I know what they look like. I think I'm gonna like the other pair. We'll see what you guys think. Golden Goose. Okay. Let's see what these look like. Okay, these I like more, but I kind of cheated. I ordered white. I ordered all white. I had to just see another pair that weren't dirty because I thought, man, I like the concept. I like being on trend, but I don't like the dinginess. And these are I will say this, these are a platform sneaker, which is a little bit trendy right now. I wouldn't normally go for a platform sneaker, but I thought, man, I just gotta try one that's not dingy and just see, because I feel like I will like these a little bit more, and I already do. I already kind of like the look of these a little bit more than the other ones. All right, shall we try them on? I think so. All right, guys, there you have it. I don't know about this. I think I have to return these. I just don't love them, if I'm being completely honest. I know they're super trendy, Some of you probably think they're amazing, but for me, I just don't like the dingy. And you know what? Here's the deal. If you are buying a designer item, a high-priced designer item, you absolutely have to love it. You shouldn't just buy it because it's a trend and because everybody else is posting about it. You need to buy what you love and what you see and you get excited about wearing. And for me, the Golden Gooses, they were fun to try on, but I think I'm gonna be taking them back. I'm gonna think about this white pair. I actually do really like the bright white pair, but I just can't get over the price point. I mean, these are $500 shoes a piece, and for me, I could buy a lot more pieces that I would just love a lot more than these sneakers. I do like these white ones. I think they're fun. I am kind of all aboard the all white platform sneaker, but these the dingy like traditional Golden Goose, I just gotta say, guys, I don't think it's for me. I don't think it's for me, but it might be for you. And if it's for you, that's great. I had fun reviewing these shoes. I hope that you liked it. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video. Tell me what your thoughts are in the comments below. I'm excited to hear what your opinions are. Are these a cool trend? Are they gonna be around for a while? Or do you hate them too? I'm not necessarily saying I hate them. Like I said, I'm still gonna think on the white pair. Until next time, guys, take care.